Let's take it slow.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this GemiBook XPro from CHUWI. This one costs only $249. Well, a lot of people, a lot of my regular viewers and subscribers have always requested me that I should do a review of an affordable laptop. They have even asked me, Han, why don't you review any affordable laptops? Why don't you recommend one to us? The thing is that I know there are a lot of affordable laptops available on the market, but if I am gonna recommend anything to my subscribers and regular viewers, then the product has to be one of the perfect ones. The product has to come with a cheaper price tag, but offer very good performance. That means very good value for money. Well, I think finally I have got the product. This one is from CHUWI. I have already been using a CHUWI tablet, and when I have noticed that CHUWI have a laptop which costs only $250, I have bought one. Well, I have already unboxed it and I have been using this one for a while now. Though, only to share the unboxing experience, I have placed everything back inside the box. So let's start from unboxing, but before that, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, here is the box of CHUWI GemiBook XPro. Create your smart life. Here comes the laptop and here comes the charging adapter. It's simple. And look at this charging adapter is a very small one and very light, very light. It's very easy to carry around, so this is gonna be a very good travel companion. This is a 24-watt charging adapter, so that means this laptop is a very energy efficient laptop. Here comes our CHUWI GemiBook XPro. Well, this CHUWI GemiBook XPro comes with a Intel Alder Lake 12th generation CPU. This one is powered by a N100 CPU. Yeah, this one is a 10 nanometer 4-core 4-thread CPU, and along with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, this one offers a very good performance. This GemiBook XPro comes with a 256GB M.2 storage, but the storage is expandable up to 1TB. Under the hood, we also have a 38 watt-hour battery. That's a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery, and it takes only 3 hours to get fully charged. There is a 2-megapixel webcam which comes with a physical on-off button. Check this, it's really a great thing. We can physically disable the webcam. When it's disabled, the webcam is actually covered. Oh my gosh, kudos to CHUWI. Yeah, we need a webcam to do some meeting online or to do some video calls, but we also need another thing to make it much more enjoyable, and that is speaker. This CHUWI GemiBook XPro comes with 2 speakers. That means this one comes with a stereo speaker setup. There are 2 1.5 watt speakers which performs very good. Why don't we just listen to some music using this CHUWI GemiBook XPro and then decide how good is the performance. If you ask me, then definitely I am satisfied by the performance of the speakers. Let's listen to some music.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet, lose won't.
Well, as I've mentioned earlier, CHUWI GemiBook XPro comes with an Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, and this one is the world's first laptop to have an Intel Alder Lake N100 processor. Alder Lake N actually offers 45% better performance for daily computing tasks than previous generation processors. CHUWI GemiBook XPro is also powered by dual-channel LPDDR5 RAM and Intel UHD Graphics 24EU at 8.4 gigabit per second, which actually offers 78% better graphics performance improvement over the previous generation. This one definitely supports DirectX 12 and OpenGL 4.5, so it can run most modern games at mid graphics settings. Actually, I've been playing games on this CHUWI GemiBook XPro for almost, I think, 20 days now, and I've never felt any issues. I mean, if you wanna play some real graphics intensive games, then definitely this one isn't the laptop you should get. But well, among all the entry-level budget laptops, CHUWI GemiBook XPro actually offers the best in-game experience. very stable 60 frames per second for hours after hours. That's really almost unbelievable. I have also ran Cinebench on this GemiBook XPro. This one has managed to get more than 900 in single core and more than 2700 in multi-core. So performance wise, this one offers one of the best performance. And it's not that the CPU, in-game experience, daily user experience, everything is good on this GemiBook XPro. There is one more thing. This one comes with a 14.1-inch IPS LCD FHD display panel. Yeah, this one is one of the best. I think I may have used these words like dark is very dark, white is very bright, colors are vibrant yet natural in some of my flagship smartphone review videos. And when I'm gonna use the same words for the display panel of a budget laptop, then you can imagine how good is the display panel. I have really enjoyed watching videos on this display panel. This one offers delightfully vibrant colors output, and yeah, in terms of accuracy, this one also has more than 99.99% accuracy. The display can be opened up to 180 degrees, so we can adjust the viewing angle as we desire. And most importantly, the hinges are quite firm, which can keep the display stable at any angle. Truly, I have never thought that I would use an affordable laptop in my daily life, but only for the display panel, I have been using this laptop for all of my entertainment needs. This GemiBook XPro from CHUWI comes with almost all the required ports. On the left, there is a port for the charging adapter, then a full-sized HDMI port, and then a USB-A port, and then a USB-C port, and finally we also get a 3.5mm port. The USB-A port is a USB 3.0 port, USB-C port is also a USB 3.0 port, so we get very fast data transfer rate. On the right side, there is a port for Kensington lock. Well, in terms of build quality, I have already mentioned at the beginning that this one comes with a very nice build quality. Even if this one is totally built with polycarbonate, CHUWI has managed to use a very good quality polycarbonate, and they have designed this to perfection. They have thought about all the things in precision, so all the curves and the parts of this laptop is built with sturdiness. Well, finally, I'm gonna talk three other things about this CHUWI GemiBook XPro. The first thing is its keyboard. This one comes with a full-sized keyboard. There are 6 rows, and what have made me so surprised and so happy is they didn't compromise with the arrow keys. There are 4 full-sized arrow keys, and the top row is actually a function button row, so we can actually control volume, brightness, and a lot other things. Okay, talking about the keyboard, here comes another thing. The keys are very well built. Even if at the center of the keyboard there is a bit of a flex, but I think the flex was needed for another reason. I have tried this keyboard for a long period of time, and as the keys gets 2 to 3mm travel, this one offers a very satisfying feedback. There are many other entry-level laptops available on the market which comes with sturdy keys, but the keys don't get enough travel and doesn't provide very good tactile feedback. I don't like those. This one offers me almost the same feedback as any other budget flagship laptops. One more time, kudos to CHUWI. The second thing is this CHUWI GemiBook XPro comes with a very big trackpad. Yeah, I emphasize on that very big because most of the other entry-level laptops comes with a tiny little trackpad which doesn't offer good tactile feedback, which doesn't even have very good touch response. This GemiBook XPro's trackpad actually supports multi-touch, offers a very good touch response, and yeah, whenever I click on it, I feel it. I definitely have a satisfying clicky feelings. Finally, the third thing. This GemiBook XPro from CHUWI comes with a very energy efficient CPU, Alder Lake 12th generation N100, and doesn't generate a lot of heat. But while playing games, definitely all the CPUs will generate heat. I am surprised to see CHUWI has used a very good quality copper heatsink inside this laptop. That's really an overkill. This one intakes air from the bottom and the air outlet is at the back part or in some way on the top part of the laptop, and the copper fins of the heatsink are clearly visible through the air vent. That's a very good thing. That means even if CHUWI has managed to put this laptop in an entry-level price segment, they didn't compromise with any part of the laptop. So yeah, after using this laptop for more than a couple of weeks, I can say without any hesitation, finally there is an entry-level laptop which costs less than its competitors and offers very good value for money. When I was recording this video, I felt like it sounds more like an advertisement, but trust me, after a long time when you would find something which actually offers this type of performance and value for money, you will get as excited as I am. I'm super excited because this one has performed. I have left a link of the product in the description box below. But before you leave this video, one request. If you have found this video helpful, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.